Get the laminated brow look at home with the new Mary Kay Clear Brow Styling Gel. Lift, tame, and sculpt brows to achieve your ideal style without the salon commitment. The lightweight formula effortlessly helps control and define your brows without any uncomfortable residue, ensuring a natural look. Meanwhile, the included mini brush allows you to precisely tame, shape, and perfect your brows for a polished finish. No matter what brow look you like, from fluffy and feathered to groomed and sleek, you can change it up from day to day. Add this easy-to-use eyebrow gel to your daily makeup routine for flawless brows, and use it to prep your brows before adding brow liner or pencil for a smooth base. Set your brows after creating hair-like strokes with brow liner or pencil for a polished look, and enhance your natural brows with a solo application for a subtle yet defined appearance. And don't forget to sign up for the ultimate luxury beauty experience using Mary Kay Skincare, where you can indulge in exclusive treatments and luxurious products, ensuring you don't miss out on any amazing bonuses and special offers.